Mo and friends.
In the Coromandel, on top of Mount Moyo, lives a furry monster by the name of Mo. In this tree house, he lives with his teddy. So if everyone's ready, come on and let's go!
Yeah. Oh. Well, that's the last of the blackberries, Teddy. Oh, yes, Mo has done an excellent job of blackberry picking. If Mo does say so, Mo-self. Thank you.
How's it going, Mo?
Oh, kia ora, Gilbert. You hungry?
I am always hungry. What have you got?
Blackberries.
Sounds a bit healthy. Anything else?
No.
Mo, can I just ask, how on earth are you going to get through all these blackberries before they spoil?
Spoil?
Well, you do know fruit goes rotten, don't you?
What?
Yeah, you're going to have to eat the lot by, well, let's say Sunday?
Oh.
Yeah, good luck to you, my friend. You're going to need it. Take it easy, Mo.
See you, Gilbert.
Oh, hey there, Mo.
Oh, kia ora.
You sure have picked a lot of blackberries.
Yes. Yes, Mo has. Mo didn't realise that fruit goes rotten.
How did you miss that?
Mo usually eats it so fast. But now Mo has picked too many blackberries to eat. If Mo eats them all, Mo will get a sore tummy.
I see. Do you know what I think you need?
Chamomile tea.
No, I think you need a letter.
Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh, what is the letter?
That's the letter J. Capital J and lowercase j.
Oh, the letter J.
It's time to...
Explore!
That's right. Now, there's something that starts with the letter J that might be a better use for all your blackberries. See if you can find it. Good luck, Mo.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh, wait. Bears like berries. Teddy, please help yourself. Yeah. Huh? Teddy's on a cleanse. Ugh.
What's Mo holding?
I think he's got a letter, so I think he probably better go exploring.
Why are you leaving?
Because Mo likes learning, and today Mo has a yearning to know more. Sing!
I see that you're carrying the letter J, and if you don't mind, I'm gonna hit the hay.
Mo loves to wander and roam.
If I were you, I'd probably stay at home. Take it easy, Mo.
Bye, Mo.
Cheerio, Mo.
Oh. Do you know anything that starts with the letter J?
Jandal.
Jandal? Do you know what Mo can do with blackberries? You do? Oh, you don't. Kinda wish you wouldn't flip-flop. Do you know anything that starts with the letter J?
Jumping.
Jumping? Not sure how jumping is a use for blackberries, but Mo will give it a try. Nothing. Do you know anything that starts with the letter J?
Jelly beans.
Jelly beans! Maybe one of these jelly beans is blackberry flavoured. No. Whoa! Oh, letter J.
Jam. Tiamu.
Jam! Tiamu! Yeah. Huh? Oh! They're picking blackberries! Mo will help. Yeah. What is jam?
Well, jam is a kind of spread that is made by fruit,
Oh, what do you spread it on?
toast, and pikelets, and all those other kind of stuff.
These blackberries that are all around us, could you make jam out of these?
Yes.
Is that why you guys are picking blackberries?
Yes.
To make jam? Oh,
I don't do that. I just fold. Look at mine.
whoa. Oh, delicious blackberries. So, how does it go from being a blackberry to jam?
Okay, well, you put the fruit into the pan, cook it up, add some sugar, and pretty much that's all there is to it
Okay, Mo's blackberries go in the pot.
in the pot. Oh, you might need a few more than that, Mo.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so how about we put these in?
Whoa, that is a lot of blackberries.
Now we go and cook in the kitchen, Mo.
Oh,
There you go.
okay. So what's happening here?
This is the fruit that you picked, and we're going to boil this down until it's quite syrupy and quite porridgey
Yeah.
before we add some sugar.
Okay. So why do you put the sugar in the recipe?
The reason you use sugar is that it acts as a natural preservative, stops it going off and going mouldy. And of
Oh.
course that's why you make jam, because you've got lots of fruit spare in the summer.
Oh, perfect. What happens now?
So now it goes to the cooling bath.
It goes in the bath.
These are so hot, they're over 100 degrees.
Whoa.
So the stirring action and the cool water on the outside of the pan just stirs the temperature down.
And then what happens after it's cooled down?
Then we take it to the filling machine
Yeah.
and into the little pots.
Oh, then it can go to the shops. Yeah, it's Mo's jam. Who wants pikelets? Oh, it looks good.
How many blackberries did you pick?
Mo picked a million. What jam are you having?
I'm having blackberry.
You guys all having blackberry?
Me too. I'm the blackberry.
Yeah. Oh, that tastes good.
Oh, hello, Mo.
Oh, kia ora, Frank.
Have you been out exploring again?
Yes, Mo has.
And what did you do today?
Oh, Mo learned about jam.
Oh, yes. And how was Mary?
Who?
You know, Mary. I was under the impression that she had a little one of those.
Oh, Frank,
Yes, Mo.
are you maybe talking about a lamb?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full.
Okay.
Mo, can I be frank with you?
Mo thinks it would be appropriate.
I don't actually know what jam is.
Well, jam is a delicious spread that's made with fruit. You can put it on toast or sandwiches or pikelets.
Oh, jam?
Yeah.
Oh, of course. I knew that. I was just playing a trick on you, Mo. And it just so happens I know a song about jam.
Whoa.
So what did you learn about today?
Jam.
And what was it that sent you on your way?
Let to jam.
Well, I know a song about it. You'll never need to doubt it. So everybody come on out and play. Sing along, Mo.
Mo explores.
All the interesting places.
Mo adores.
All the smiling happy faces.
Mo implores.
For you to get outdoors, and that means he'd like it very much.
Mo would.
Are you concerned about the berries that you've got?
Just a bit.
And you want to use them up before they rot?
That's it.
Well, I suggest you cram them into jars of jam. A tasty spread that really hits the spot.
Everybody sing Mo explores.
All the interesting places.
Mo adores.
All the smiling happy faces.
Mo implores.
You to get outdoors, and that means he'd like it very much. One more time.
Mo explores.
All the interesting places. Mo adores. All the smiling happy faces.
Mo
Implores you to get outdoors, and that means he'd like it very much.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sounding great, Mo. Oh, I do love to jam with you. Get it?
No.
Well, I'm off. See you later.
Whoa. You okay, Frank?
Yep, just jammed myself in a blackberry bush.
Okay.
Quite prickly, it turns out.
There. Oh, that's the last jar, Teddy.
How's it going, Mo?
Oh, kia ora, Gilbert. Mo has something for you.
If it's a mountain of rotten berries, I think I'll pass.
No, Mo made jam for you.
You did?
Mo did.
For me?
For Gilbert.
That is my jam, Mo. Oh, I'll be sure to have that on some scones later. I don't know what to say, Mo.
Oh,
Oh, wait. I do know what to say.
yeah?
I am off for a nap. Take it easy, Mo.
You're welcome.
Oh, you've been busy, Mo.
Oh, yes, Mo has. Mo found a use for all the blackberries.
And what did you make?
Mo made jam. Tiamu.
And jam begins with the letter...
J.
Great job, Mo. Well, it's time to say goodbye now.
Oh, kakitano. Oh, by the way, this jar of jam is for you.
Oh, thank you, Mo. That's very kind.
Yeah, if only we had some scones to put the jam on.
Do you want me to make some scones, Mo?
Oh, what a wonderful idea! Why didn't Mo think of that?
Oh, dear.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.